The mayor of Liviv said the city in western Ukraine had reached the limits of its capacity to help people displaced by the Russia-Ukraine conflicts. Mayor Andrei Sadovin said hundreds of thousands of people had already passed through the city on their way to seeking safety. Some 200,000 displaced from their homes were staying in Lviv. Now I'm in Lviv, a western city in Ukraine. Behind me there is a toy store. It is still open. In Lviv, the majority of shops, shopping centers are closed and restaurants are closed. But supermarkets, pharmacies, banks are still open. Behind me, this toy store is still open. And we can see some people, they are buying different kinds of toys for their children. Lviv is Ukraine's westernmost city near the border with Poland. The ongoing conflicts have displaced numerous people as many fled Kiev and used Lviv as a conduit for safety.